Hi, I'm at Ag in Motion 2025. I'm here with Donna Dawson with Ag Drone Canada. They just put on a pretty impressive demonstration with one of their spray drones out here on the show. Donna, tell me a little bit about your operation here and this large carrier unit behind us.
Sure. So to begin with, we are actually Acumark Airspray to begin with. We've been air spraying with helicopters and fixed wings for 20 years.
Oh.
And we've just seen an innovation with drones. They're definitely here, and we thought it would be a good fit for our company as well.
Okay. What kind of momentum are you seeing with farmer interest in terms of getting drones to work for them in the fields?
Well, our customers, like when we're third party, if their customers are waiting on the third party to come, and the wind doesn't work or the weather doesn't work, now all of a sudden they're outside their timing. It's just nice to be able to give them the option to have aerial application in their hands, then they don't have to tramp their crops. And
yeah. Another one of those on-farm things that farmers would like to control themselves if they could. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay. Now, the two units that are on top of the carrier, what size are they roughly? What kind of capacities do they have?
Yeah, so they are manufactured by Spider out of China.
Okay.
And they are at H300, which is a 95-liter drone, 25 gallons.
Okay. And what kind of runtime do they have approximately?
About 12 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, so by the time you spray your tank of chemical at 2 gallon per acre, you're coming back to refill and you're going to change your batteries at the same time.
Oh, that's what I was going to ask next, actually, is the battery recharge and how long they go. And then is there a fairly quick recharge time for the batteries?
Yeah, 15 minutes.
Oh, that's really good, actually. Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
This carrier is created by Fiber Manufacturing out of Crystal City, Manitoba.
Okay.
And it's actually set up to have 4 of the smaller drones, like maybe your 62 liter that we also offer. It comfortably takes 2 of the 95 liters for us.
Okay. And if people want to learn more about this unit, how do they get a hold of you?
They can get a hold of us at 306-278-7205, or Travis, the owner of Ag Drone Canada, at 306-276-6840.
Okay.
Or they're welcome to stop by booth 726 at Ag in Motion.
Perfect. Well, thank you. What do farmers need to know about owning a drone before they actually make that jump into this kind of technology?
Right. So they come to us and they ask all the questions, and if they're interested and they want to buy one, then we also have in-school training. We're Transport Canada accredited.
Okay.
So we bring you in, you get your advanced drone license, we train you on the actual drone that you buy, and make sure that you go home comfortable enough to start up on your own farm.
Oh, great. And how much interest have you seen here today or the past 2 days at Ag in Motion?
We have been swamped. Yeah.
Okay.
Especially after today. Today was the first day that we did 2 demos, and it's just been a lot of interest.
Okay, great. Well, thanks very much for your time, Donna. Pleasure meeting you.
You're welcome.
And Marley.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.